Hello friends, welcome back to PHP tutorial. Because today I have started a new series like a PHP tutorial. In this series I will explain what is the PHP, how to use PHP, what is the variable, what is the operator, what is the if else condition, what is the switch, while loop, everything I will explain inside a PHP tutorial. In this series means in this video I can explain what is the PHP, what did PHP. Like a PHP, I think everybody know about PHP is like open source language. Suppose you can go inside Google and just you can search inside Google like a PHP, so you can see it like a PHP stands, so means a hypertext preprocessor. Suppose you can go to www.schools.com and inside you can see it like what is the PHP, so you can read it. But what you can do it inside a PHP, suppose you can go into like a two framework, Laravel coordinator. Here is a lots of framework available inside PHP, but mainly developer using like Laravel and coordinator. Suppose do you want to do like a front end and back end website, so you can use like Laravel and coordinator. Suppose do you want to do inside any website about blog, so everybody can using like WordPress. 100% we can do it inside Laravel and coordinator, but we can do it inside WordPress so very quick, because here is a already available some plugin, so you can use it directly. And suppose do you want to do inside like a e-commerce website, so Prestashop and OpenCart. Here's a lots of plugin available about e-commerce, but you can use it. But in this video I just explain what is the PHP. PHP meaning about like hypertext preprocessor. I already told you. But PHP inside you can do it like a front end, back end, every website you can see it inside PHP. Like 80% website I think in the world inside Google, so you can see it inside PHP. I am thinking like this. I don't know, sometimes there is a ASP.NET, VB.NET, so is a PHP wise work. Okay, but I am thinking like a PHP is like a dynamic creating pages, but it is a PHP with working like CSS, HTML, JS means JavaScript, so with PHP. So PHP mainly working right now in the developer Laravel and coordinator. So for Laravel and coordinator inside, do you want to do like a front end and back end code, so you can do it. Right now I have already opened my Laravel code. Suppose here you can go. So this is the like HTML, like I have used like a one free template inside a Google, and I have search and I can put inside my Laravel project, and Laravel project inside I did like a, here is a made it like dynamic, so I can do it add, edit, delete inside database. So every information stored inside database after I show here dynamically. So is a automatic convert one HTML. Suppose you can do it like a PHP inside whatever do. So this is the automatic create one HTML. Suppose I can do is a control U. So you can see it here like a automatic HTML. You can't see anything about the PHP code here. So here only showing the HTML code, whatever did inside a dynamic. Suppose here is a menu there. So this is the menu, here you can see it. Suppose you can go down. So here you can see it like a tables. So this is the like PHP code, means that PHP framework Laravel code, means is the HTML code. Same thing we can do it inside a coordinator. Suppose do you want to do inside a blog, suppose you can need to create like one blog. I will share my article, anybody can read, and I will make a money inside blog. Lots of money we can available, like a same like I am doing the YouTube. So why I am doing YouTube, because I need to make a Google AdSense. So Google means YouTube AdSense, whatever is, I don't know, because it's still not done. Once done, after I can explain how we can do it like a YouTube inside, how to make a money once I will receive the money. Okay, but right now I have not received any money inside YouTube. Sorry about that, I just say, but just I can explain what is the WordPress. So WordPress you need to do, so you need to create a like a blog. So what do you want to create a blog, like a specific blog? Okay, I need to create a like this blog, anything like you need to create like a blog about the like a tutorials, what is the education related. So you can do it inside what is the PHP, what you can do it also is blog. So you can use like WordPress. Also you can do it inside Laravel coordinator, 100% you can do it, but I suggest you can go WordPress, so you can do it easily, because you don't want to spend lots of money inside Laravel coordinator. So but do you want to learn, you can do it inside Laravel coordinator, so it's good. And I am also developing, creating one series about the how to make a blog inside a Laravel, because I like to explain everything about Laravel, how to create a blog. I will also create one series. First I will finish my school management system, after I finish my e-commerce, and after I need to start my blogging system. And same thing you can do it like a e-commerce website. So what do you want to do is the e-commerce website, so 100% you can use the Prestashop and OpenCart. Why is the Prestashop and OpenCart do you want to use? Because Prestashop is one type of framework inside a PHP, so automatic creating one template for the e-commerce website. After you need to make just customize. Also you can mark inside market free some tools available, some paid tools available, so you can use it and directly use inside your Prestashop. Otherwise you can use inside OpenCart. I have no knowledge about how to work Prestashop and OpenCart. I have just knowledge about like a Laravel and coordinator, because I was not using in time WordPress, but I will learn a lots of things inside WordPress. This reason I told you is a blogging wise good. And I also make some small customize, because also his provided themes wise is not creating anything new. Just you need to install the themes and you can do it directly. Same thing you can do is like Prestashop and OpenCart. But Laravel and coordinator you need to develop like a crash, so you can use it. So is a PHP is a good. I hope do you want to enjoy in this series like a PHP tutorial, and I will explain everything about PHP, how to work PHP, how we can do it inside of, how to use a variable inside a PHP, how to work like a else if loop, what is the if else, what is the operator, what is the switch case, everything I will explain, what is the data types, everything I will explain inside a PHP. So I hope do you want to enjoy, and do you want to like this video, so please like, and do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.